Capricorn, this is your channel messages for the 3rd of June. Yes, June, Capricorn. We're in Gemini's month, okay? Let's just go ahead and go into your reading. It is an evening reading, okay? No, you should ask, before you ask me why I came on YouTube just like this, ask yourself, did you come here for a reading or you came here for a fashion show? Which one? Okay. So Capricorn, your channel message is the Four of Pentacles, sleep, the Eight of Wands. No, this has something to do with either astral projection or me getting something about reoccurring dreams. Like I don't know if you're getting, I feel like Capricorn being the devil, you're getting downloads as to how to fuck with somebody. I'm not sure if you're visiting somebody in them dream space. For example, women, you dream about your ex and you see with a new girl. You him a do magic on you. Okay, so you're having a dream and you're single. And this random man is making you jealous in the dream. Yeah, somebody doing love work on you. Me getting something about your sleep. Me getting something about that Sagittarius. Somebody might have Venus in Sagittarius. Me getting a significant Sagittarius. I'm also getting something about this Sagittarius. He has a very significant Pisces placement. There's something about this Sagittarius's Pisces placement or what him have in Pisces. Anyways, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Capricorn. Because you're the half man, half fish. And Sagittarius is the half man, half Terios, right? Okay, so both of them is chimera like. I'm doing alchemy, wizardry. Anyways, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Capricorn, your first card out is the Nine of Wands. Okay, I'm getting hurry for do something. You need something to be done quickly, fast. Okay, we have the Wheel of Fortune. I'm getting something needs to be completed fast. You need it to be finished now, Capricorn. So maybe the devil is trying to hurry you, to trick you. If you're trying to seek a job and you're being hurried, the devil is talking. If you're trying to seek love and he is rushing you for sex, rushing you to go out, rushing you to come over your house, the devil is talking. We have the Four of... Yeah, this was your channel message. I did not write it down because I felt like video proof was enough for you to go back and see what I said in the beginning of the video. We have the Four of Pentacles. I'm getting your whole back. Something about how you feel. I don't know if you're trying to pressure somebody to reach out here to tell you how they feel. We have the Tower. I'm getting something to move faster, okay? I'm not sure if you're trying to apply pressure to somebody. The Four of Pentacles. Somebody's supposed to be left feeling lonely, without hope, isolation. This person left feel like them in quarantine all over again. I'm not sure what this is, Capricorn. Yeah, Four of Pentacles. That was a channel message. Something about, yeah, hold back. I'm not sure if it... Oh, gosh. The Nine of Wands is clarified by the Ace of Wands. Okay, so that's the Ten of Wands. Okay, so I'm getting something fall down. And this is not London's bridge. Something fall down, something collapse. It's like somebody has 9 sticks and you know the shift is finished. Them have so much to complete and you're like, hey, you want 1 more stick before you leave work to complete? And the person's like, sure. And you're like, what the fuck is this? Yeah, something about you. I don't know. You're supposed to be unhappy. But you have to be very depressed in a very fast space of time. So somebody tried to hit you below the belt, but you have a vagina, not 2 balls. So hitting you below the belt would not have hurt harder than hitting you where your boobs was. The Wheel of Fortune is clarified by the Lovers, something about a Gemini. Something, yeah, I'm getting your ex, something about your ex are pressure you. Four of Pentacles is clarified by the Tarot. I don't know, what the fuck is this? Like somebody, I feel like somebody are trying to change your destiny. Again, if you have reoccurring dreams of you and this man together, I'm getting the man of the spell work. That's Capricorn. Because the higher vibration to Capricorn is the Lovers, Gemini. Somebody where you were with a long time ago, or somebody who, I don't know if you're dating them now. I'm getting Devil card and toxic, okay? There's a Terror here. And the Tower is clarified by the 6. Yeah, you left them. I'm getting you have reoccurring dreams about them. I'm getting something supposed to pressure you. Pressure you about your ex, pressure you about your dreams. I don't know, we have a terror here, so I'm definitely getting somebody doing readings on you, or you're watching readings on somebody else. When I said the Wheel of Fortune, that can also be a destiny. Somebody's going to change your destiny by some love situation, all right? Maybe you're supposed to be distracted with love. We have evil, yeah, the devil. Somebody doing work on you. Or me getting something, I don't know what somebody trying to make you very depressed in a fast space of time. I don't know if that look like financial distress to you. I don't know if that look like love distress to you. But what we do know is that Rogers Canada is offering Canadians the lowest internet and phone service. And listen to me, Rogers will make sure that if you need to track that man that's cheated on you, Rogers will provide you with high data speed service for your mobile phones. And you know what? Rogers might even start going into trackers to track your current that's in the other girl next door. And if you can't hack your boyfriend's or husband's account, no problem. Rogers have a device that you can access their personal information with. Rogers. Where is Bell? I don't hear the bell. This is recess. Anyway, it's evil. The person is evil. I'm doing love work on you, magic, manipulation. We have Scorpio. Somebody, suicide. That's evil. We have Pluto. We have mental health, suicide. They want you to unalive yourself. They want you to kill your life. They want you to terminate the living existence that is you. And pussy out there. And dick out there. Listen, if you ever think depressed, just first and tell me how you feel after. If at any moment you feel like you're so depressed, you're so low, oh my God, you can't find your ex and you can't find your current, can tell me how you feel after. One more. We have religious agenda. This message was not approved by Pope Leo. I'm going to leave it here, Capricorn. Until next time, bye.